Hey everyone, how are you today? And we're going to have an update. Dito po guys, very exciting, sa lahat ng mga business-minded dyan, diba? Mga entrepreneurs, mga negosyante, big news, and super happy, super excited to announce that we are now selling Alegria Lifestyle Residences commercial lots, okay? I will give you few reasons today why you should grab this once in a lifetime opportunity. Hey guys, so it's me Nicole. If you are not a subscriber yet, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and enjoy this vlog that we have today for commercial lots here at, ayan, nakita nyo guys, Alegria Lifestyle Residences. Location niya po, Barangay Loma de Gato, Marilao, Bulacan. Okay, so guys, bigyan ko kayo ng perspective kung bakit this is a once in a lifetime opportunity for the commercial lots. Ayan, nakikita nyo, may big banner na tayo, di ba? Alegria Commercial Lots. Ito kasing location niya guys, this is Villarica Road. Nakita nyo yung mga bus na yan, ang galing yan ng Sapang Palay, San Jose del Monte. Boundary na siya ng Muzon, San Jose del Monte. Hindi yan lilipad, ito lang yung pinaka main road papuntang Marilao exit pag nanggagaling ka ng Muzon, San Jose del Monte. Okay, or Sapang Palay, San Jose del Monte. Dito ang pinaka way nila. Tapos yan dito guys sa Loma de Gato, marami ditong mga subdivisions, malalaking subdivisions. May Golden Hills dyan, may Panorama, meron ditong Amaresa, Loma de Gato. And ito na yung pwesto. So nakita nyo ba to guys? Kita nyo yan? Mamaya stay tuned kasi magbibigay din ako ng sample computation ng commercial lots. Paunahan lang po ito, first come first serve. Kaya sa lahat ng mga negosyante natin dyan, this is your once in a lifetime opportunity to own a prime commercial lots. Dito po yung magiging development ng ating commercial area. Ayan, pinapakita ko na. Yan, right in front of Alegria Lifestyle. Diba yun yung ating subdivision? Yan, yun yung clubhouse, kitang-kita. O, ayun, nasa gitna yung malaking clubhouse. Etong pinakaharap na to guys, dito yung ating commercial area, commercial development, Alegria Lifestyle Residences. Lahat dito, pag nag-avail ka ng lote guys, ang dami mong, may kasamang mga parking lots. Explain ko yun mamaya sa sample competition kasi nakalagay naman doon. Halimbawa, kasama may 5 kang, kasama sa i-avail mo yung commercial parking lots, 5 na naka-assign sa'yo. Diba? Ganun siya, per business. O diba guys, very exciting Ayan na yan papuntang Marilao exit na yan. Marilao exit, isa yan sa pinakamalapit na exit from Quezon City and Metro Manila guys, diba? Location wise, napakaganda ng ating location. Alam nyo ba, na kung hindi pa kayo aware yung North BGC of the North, ang tawag doon North Wing. Ongoing construction na yan. It's a project of Mega World, okay? Dito po yan, malapit sa Marilao exit. Ayan yan guys, kung gusto mo yung i-research mo. Google it. So, dito ang ating commercial lots, commercial spots, okay? Lapit tayo din ng konti guys, So, pakita ko sa inyo. Itong Alegria guys, this is a high-end subdivision dito sa Loma de Gato, Marilao. So, ganito yung magiging perspective niya, Yan, di ba? Talagang along the highway or along the main road. Main road na yan So, ito yung ating commercial lots. Ganyan yung kanyang perspectives ng commercial lots. There you go. So, ayan guys, di ba? Nakikita nyo naman. Yan, naisip mo na ba kung anong negosyo ang itatayo mo dito? Kung anong business, guys? At ang target market mo dito, hindi lang mga taga Loma de Gato, Marilao, pati mga taga Muzon, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, guys. I-google mo na lang, grabe, ang population yan o yung target market mo dito, guys. Sobrang laki ng iyong target market or audience sa itatayo mong commercial lots dito. Ayan, ayan, Balita ko nga may iba dito talagang kinuha na yung pinakamalaking commercial lots kung ano mang malaking supermarket yung itatayo di ba guys? So, excited na ba kayo? Ayan ang ating commercial lots, Alegria Lifestyle Residences. Magbibigay na ako ng sample computation. Okay, so nakikita niyo sa screen ngayon guys, sample computation if you think you are qualified And if you think you are capable, 'di ba? To pay and avail a commercial lot, a business, 'di ba? Future business development here in a very prime location of Alegria Lifestyle Residences, Loma de Gato, Marilao. For your information, this is the non-flooded area of Loma de Gato, Marilao. Okay? Kasi baka sa iba sabi nila, ang laki-laki po ng Marilao, ha? Kung may part man ng Marilao na binabaha, malayo na yun dito. Ito kasi ay boundary ng San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. This is a non-flooded area. Okay? Nakita nyo naman, guys, napakaganda ng location natin. So, bawal po ditong mag-walk-in, strictly no walk-ins. At least 1 to 2 days before, tawagan mo lang kaagad ako, Viber, WhatsApp, iMessage, para makapag-schedule tayo ng viewing. Pwede dito online reservation. Send ko sa iyo yung mapa, yung sample computation, then yung pagpipilian mo, mechanics and everything. And on top of that, makaka-receive ka pa sa akin ng big discount or referral bonus. Yes, kung ano yan, nako, malaki-laki yan, guys, ha? Kung paano yan, dahil exclusive lang yan sa aking YouTube channel at Your Own Properties PH, lalo na kung ikaw ay subscriber, di ba? Exclusive yung promo ko na yan sa akin, guys. Abangan nyo, kontakin nyo ako at sabihin mo, Nicole, ano yung ibibigay mo sa aking big promo para sa Alegria Commercial Lot? For Alegria Commercial Lot lang to, exclusive, ha? O, malalaman mo yan. Surprise yan, di ba, guys? Magkano kaya yun? Siyempre, promo natin yan kasi bare months promo po ngayon, guys. Bare months, magdi-December na. And this is a very special offer, commercial lots. Bihira po yung mga ino-offer kong commercial lots. Kung alam niyo yan, karamihan sa akin, di ba, mga residential lots. Pero dahil hawak ko din tong Alegria ang kanilang residential project, syempre, i-offer natin ang kanilang commercial development. Okay, guys? So, what are you waiting for? I hope to see you all soon. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.